Hi, today I was here already the past 3 days, but it's hot. I decided to walk and it's really nice, but I definitely need to jump in the sea first thing now. And yeah, I definitely have to show you because it is so beautiful. I think that's officially like my favorite beach in Dubai and my favorite place. So yeah, I'll show you. Wearing this dress and underneath I have my swimming suits. So yeah, ready. And this is the hotel. They have a very nice beach. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear anything. I don't even see in the camera, so I hope you even see me. But being at this hotel and this beach has been so recharging. Like, it's really crazy how good the sea feels and the breeze and like the salt air, and it's just the best thing ever. And I'm surprised I've never been here before. Like, this beach is just on the Bluewater Island, and you have no skyscrapers, you have nothing, it's just pure sea. And it's been the best time ever. I'm so happy. Like, I will show you now the view. Just listen to this. So nice. I love it. I don't think you can hear anything but being here and just enjoying the beach and the sun. I can just let you listen to the waves, and that's it. I think it's enough. Because it is so nice. I hope you can hear me. I'm currently on the beach and reading a book, and it's just the best feeling ever. What life. take you with me. I don't think you can hear me, but yeah, I just showered. And when I put the shower on, the shower head just went directly in my face. So now I'm completely wet everywhere, and there was no hair dryer, but that's okay. It's hot.